Children, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with exponents, exercise 5a, part 4. Here is our fourth question. Evaluate 2 by 3 whole to the power of cube into 3 by 4 whole to the power of square. Here they have given it in an exponential form. This is called as exponential form. If you just have a look here, it is in the form of a to the power of n, right? A to the power of n. What is A? A is 2 by 3. And what is n? And n is 3. Right? So this is in the form of exponential form. A to the power of n or m. Anything, you can assume anything. A to the power of n. Right? Into. And this one is somewhat different with this base. It is not equal. Here the bases are not equal. It is 2 by 3 and it is 3 by 4. So you cannot consider this as A. If both the bases are equal, then only you can consider as A to the power of n into A to the power of m. Right? So here you cannot apply the formula because the bases are different. If you just have a look at the formula exponential law, A to the power of m into A to the power of n. This is the formula. So here the bases are equal, right? Both are A. But in our following above question, the bases are different. So this formula is not applicable. That's why we are not going to use a formula for this problem. I hope you understood why we are not using a formula for this problem, because the bases are different. I hope it's clear. This is the formula, children. You need to remember this. In our upcoming examples, I am going to teach you with this formula, and I am going to teach this because I want to tell you why we are not going to use the formula in this problem. In some problems you need to use the formula, and in some problems you cannot use the formula. Right? In this you cannot use the formula because the bases are different. If bases are equal, then you can apply the formula. Is it clear? Because some students may get it out, why teacher is not using a formula in this problem, right? So for them, they might have understood and got a clear idea. Now, since we are not going to apply a formula, how many times does this base, that is 2 by 3, is repeated? It is repeated 3 times. So just write down 2 by 3 3 times, and 3 by 4 is 2 times. Now, numerator and denominator gets cancelled. That is 3 ones are 3 ones are, and again 3 ones are 3 ones are. And again you can divide this 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again now you cannot cancel anything from numerator and denominator, right? So in numerator it is only 1. So you can write only 1, and 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 6 will be the answer. Let's move on to the second one. Look here, children. This 3 by 4 is having a minus sign. So minus sign should also be repeated 3 times. See, you can say braces over here, and the base, whatever it is inside the braces, the minus is also inside the braces. If this minus is outside the braces, you don't need to repeat the minus. But since it is inside the braces, so this minus should also be repeated 3 times. Even here the bases are different. It is not a that is same, right? If it is same, you can use the formula. Here the base is different, so you cannot apply a formula over here, and we are going to solve this problem without using a formula. So here minus 3 by 4 is repeated 3 times, and 3 by 4 is repeated 4 times. And now you can just cancel it up. You will get 3 ones are, and 3 ones are, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are is 3, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Again you can cancel it, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, again 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are, can cancel 2 ones are. Now you cannot cancel it anymore, and children, don't forget you are having 3 minus, right? Because it is 3, you can just multiply this minus direct, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, right? So you'll get minus. But if it is a big number, if it is if you are having this minus 25 times, then what will you do? Right, it is difficult to multiply 25 times with minus. So for that reason, see here children, 3 times the minus is repeated, right? So 3 is a even or odd, 3 is a odd number, right? So you can place minus sign. If it is odd, then you can place minus sign. If it is even, you have to place plus sign. So the answer will be minus 1 by 12. See here, 4 3s are 12. Here is our third question. 3 by 5 is repeated twice and minus 2 by 3 is repeated thrice. So just write down 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. Right? So minus 2 by 3 is repeated 3 times. Now you can just cancel one number in numerator and one in denominator. 3 ones are, and similarly 3 ones are, and since other numbers are not divisible, right? So we are just multiplying 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, and just write down as it is. Just multiply it and write it down. Since you are having the minus sign 3 times, 3 is a odd number. If it is even, put a plus sign. If it is odd, then put a minus sign. So minus 8 by 75. I hope it's clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on exponents. Thank you.